Hey sisters, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my skincare routine. So first we're going to start off with our cleanser, of course, and I'm going to be using the Hydro Boost cleanser because it leaves my face feeling hydrated rather than tight and dry. Now I am a firm believer in a little bit goes a long way, so you really didn't even need this much, but hey, it is what it is. Now I do have a second option of a cleanser. I just inserted it now. I didn't use it in today's video. I just wanted to show y'all the texture, how it looks, and it does have like a Vicks smell to it. I don't know how y'all feel about that, but this is more on the affordable side. It's cheaper than the Hydro Boost and it works good. Like I said, I did not use it today, but I definitely recommend it. So now I'm just wiping off that Hydro Boost cleanser. I usually use the clean skin towels. I think you get them from Sephora. I usually order them from Amazon. So go check out my storefront, babe. But I like those better than using a towel, but I ran out. So we just had to do what we had to do. Next, I'm gonna use the serums. I do use 2 serums. I like this serum first because it has the witch hazel. I don't think that this serum has that. So I do use 2 of them, and well, I think that's kind of normal, but this is what I do. Okay, this is what I do. When I do my skincare, I do like to take my time and make it feel like I'm giving my own facial just because I want to have that self-care time. Next up, we're going to have moisturizers. Can y'all believe that I used to use cocoa butter only on my face? Now, don't get me wrong. I don't think there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm trying to romanticize my life a little bit more. So now I actually have to get me a moisturizer, and this is that girl. I really love her. But if y'all have any other recommendations for moisturizers or any other products that's not listed in today's video, please drop them down below because I don't mind trying them out. Next, I have the Moisture Surge. I don't know if y'all have been hearing about this girl, but look, word around town, she's that girl. And I am a firm believer that she's that girl. I stand with this girl. She really locks in the moisture and it makes my face glow. The other products make my face glow too, but this just adds that other glow. So yeah, she's that girl. So next up we have our vitamin C brightening mask, and I'm not gonna lie, I think this is what gives you that glass look to your skin. Because when I put this on, I just feel so radiant. I feel like I'm glowing. And last product is the facial spray. You can't go wrong with this. I've been using this since college, so you know it's good. Now that I'm looking good and feeling good, let's go enjoy our day. Happy Sunday, sisters. I'll see y'all Wednesday.